Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if the Microsoft Store is stuck on pending when downloading. So let me show you, or let me discuss to you how does it looks like. Now, if you open the Microsoft Store and you're going to download for an application, let's say for example this PDF editor. Now, if you're going to click on this get button, this circle will continue unloading, and this will state that pending. So that is the error, pending when downloading. Now you will be stuck on that situation if you're not going to fix it. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. Close your Microsoft Store, then press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Or you can simply search for run in the Windows search bar and type here wsreset.exe. So this will clear the Microsoft Store cache. Now you have to click on OK. So this will also bring up and open the Microsoft Store for you. Then from here, just continue searching and downloading your favorite apps, games, and movies. Now for the second method is we are going to run some command or run a command in the Windows PowerShell. So in the Windows search bar, type PowerShell. Make a right click. Again, it's right click, not left click. Select run as admin. And then I'm going to paste the command here. Do not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video. And hit enter. So once done, just type exit, hit enter. Then make a right click at start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. For the next method is we're going to repair and reset the application. So you have to click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on apps, installed apps. And simply search for store in the search bar. Click on system components. Then you will find the Microsoft Store. Click on these three dots, select advanced options. Make sure the background component permissions, you're not going to choose never. It could be always or power optimized. Scroll down. You'll find repair button. Click on that. Now once done, click on reset button and then reset button once again. So once done, close this window and then again make a right click at start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.